Hi everyone. So the other day I was with Sunny and I was like, let me stop by Michael's and see what they have going on for their Black Friday stuff. And it was over the weekend, so he stopped off in there and he knows how much I love grab bags. So he was like, "Oh, look, Mom." And I'm like, I know. I'm like, "But they're $10 now and Mom's too cheap to buy those." But as I was looking at the other stuff, like on the end cap, he kept looking at them. So I was like, "Do you want to get one?" And he was like, "Yeah." So there was probably about like 9 boxes. And I was like, "Okay, go ahead and pick one." So he just picked one from the middle. So I actually had to like hold up the other two boxes for him to like grab one out. And I'm like, "That's what you want?" And he was like, "Yeah." So we are going to find out if he picked a good one. I'm hoping that he did because I really hate paying $10 for these. I remember when I first started buying these used to be $2. So from $2 to $10, I'm like, ooh, it kills me to buy them for 10. So let's see if he got a good one. And they taped these up good. Like even the handles where you can normally like open and peep through, they taped that off. So, oh my God. Okay. This is not looking promising, you guys. I'm dying that I paid $10 for this. Okay, well, let's see. So, okay, I thought it was a costume. It's a dog costume. Is the first thing right on top. So I now have a mermaid costume for a pet in a size large. I don't have a dog to put this on. My big dog is a 2X or an extra large. So a large dog, this does not work for me. I think it's so funny. I thought it was going to be like a people costume, but it's a dog costume. So that's hilarious. Wow, that was originally $16.99. So the other thing I can see down is they just stuck a whole display box in here. So that is what's killing me right now. I cannot believe this. Let's see. Let me see if these are all the same. And it looks like they are. So I ended up with these canvas and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these with literally the display box. They just picked up the display box and dumped it in this box. So I now have 10 of these canvas. Okay, this is kind of cool. So in the back we have a paintbrush, a little palette, and then some paints. So, I don't like pink is the only problem. But the orange, I wonder if this paint's any good. Like, can I take this out and use it for something else? And same thing with this canvas. Can I paint this white to get rid of this spooky season and this decoration and maybe use it for Christmas since we're in December and do like a Christmas canvas? I've shown you guys before where my mom and I will watch like a YouTube video and we'll paint. So we've done like a Jack one, a Snoopy one. We did, God, what's that guy from Lord of the Rings? The little like crazy guy. I can't remember his name right now. But yeah, so maybe I can go ahead and try to like white this out and then just use it for something for Christmas theme. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is something that I like for like gory Halloween. This was, let's see, originally $10. So got that one. How much was this paint set thing? So this canvas thing was originally $8. And then, let's see. Oh my God, I think I ended up with all the same thing. Like, whoever packed these, you suck. They did not mix it up at all. It's all the same, I think. So let's see. $7.99. I got this door decoration. So it glows in the dark. I have a witch's hat, some bats, hocus pocus. Okay, so this shows me what I got. So I have 2 styles of witch's hats. I don't know if these 3 are the same and these 2 are the same. I think it is. So 3, so like a large and a small, 3 of each. Some glow-in-the-dark eyes. Some stars, some circles. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is, because it looks like there's a bunch in here, I'm going to count how many there are. And what I can actually do is, instead of like using it as like a witch's hat, I can use this with my die cuts. And maybe like, I think these might be foam dots. Foam shapes. So maybe I can use these as, instead of using, you know, like the thick foam tape to like elevate a project, maybe I can use this stuff for that. That way I can kind of just use it up and like get it out, you know, because there's a lot of these. And then I'm gonna see if I can like condense these down to maybe like a couple of boxes. Let's open one up and let's see. Oh, these are big. See, I wish I used these colors right now for like Christmas time, but I don't. This is very Halloween. Well, the black foam I could, you know, die cut like Santa's boots or whatever. I think I have some small ones like that. Okay, this just looks like puffy double-sided tape, which is like what I was talking about. Like I'd probably like use this stuff for. So I might be able to use some of this. And then the Hocus Pocus is printed on. The googly eyes I'll put in my stash for next year. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see how I can use these. But let's find out how many are actually in this box. Okay, so there are 7 of these exact same Hocus Pocus kits. Like I said, whoever packed this did not mix it at all. They just grabbed and filled the box. So there's 7 of these Hocus Pocus ones. There were, what, 10 of those paint canvas, 1 spool of ribbon, 1 dog costume, and then 1 of spiders. So it's the same thing, that glow in the dark, keep out, boo, little spider kit. I don't think this one comes as much as the other one does. So there are 3 different cuts of stars, some glow in the dark eyes. It looks like there is some, I don't know what this would be. Let's open this up and see what this roll is, because I'm not sure what that would be. This, I'm guessing, is like foam puffy tape. Like I said, I could use this for my craft projects. And then these spiders I could probably use to cut out with my dies. So, oh, these are huge. Okay, these spiders must be huge because these eyes are huge. That's like, what, maybe 1.5 inches? So these must be really big spiders. And then, oh, see, I wanted to see what this roll was. Let me open it. It's gauze. So that's what's in here is gauze. So this, like, showing, like, to tape up the door, they literally put everything in here to do that. So they even included the gauze to tape over the door to kind of, like, mummify it. So I'm going to leave this in here. I'm not going to try to, like, take it out, but I would say this is a bust, and this is why grab boxes are not worth $10 anymore. If I paid $5 for this, would I have been happy? Yeah, because I mean, I could eventually use this stuff up, but for $10, am I happy? No. Am I gonna go charge Sunny $10 for making me buy this box? Yes. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, no, not worth $10. So if they happen to have like a bunch of extra and they go down to $5, which I've had happen before, where I've shown you guys where they went down to $5 because they've had them out there for weeks and nobody was buying them, then I would buy them. Like I said, for $5, I think this box would have been worth it. For $10, definitely not worth the money to end up with the same product over and over. Like, who needs 10 exact same canvases? Who needs 8 exact same, you know, Hocus Pocus boxes? It's just not worth it for the 10. So anyways, that's just my opinion. You guys let me know, did you think that this was worth $10? And then the other thing is, if I keep it, where am I going to store it? I'm already on limited storage space as it is. So anywho, all right, we'll see you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.